For some users, only accessing one switch is the best option. So you go into Menu, and then Scoop Settings, and then More Scoop Settings, and then Single Switch Mode, yes. And then back. I would also go into wait times to give myself a longer wait time between scoops, so I can turn the plate to line up food for scooping. Then, during the wait time at rest, this button is a plate turn button, so you can line up the food to choose what you want to eat. When the wait time is over, the middle button is a play button, so you can control the meter eater with just one button. For single switch mode, plug your switch in here. For two switches, plug your first switch in here and your second switch in here. If you can access two switches, you can still use your finger, or a carer can use a third option. So you've got an option of plate turn and you've got a scoop, play and pause button. Alternatively, if you just want those two buttons available, you can go into Scoop Settings, More Scoop Settings, Two Switch Modes, yes, back, and then you will see there is just the play pause button and the plate turn button. The third button no longer is there. So if you want three switches, it relates to the play pause, the plate turn, and then the third switch relates to the third switch on the screen. If you press and hold it, you get plate scrape. If you want to access the menu using external switches, you need to set this up by going into More Settings, Advanced Settings, then enter the access code. 1234 is the default. Click Save, and then Menu Access. Click Switch Menu Access, yes. And then you click back. And then when you press and hold for a really long time, the menu comes up, so you can select it using the green one. And you can navigate forward through the menu and backwards using alternative switches. And then you click the first switch as your select. So if I'm changing the scoop setting here, I would like to set plate jiggle because I have some sticky food. I can click select, and then head to back, and then back again. And that setting has now been achieved. It is possible to use an eye gaze system with the Nita Eater robot. To do this, Nita Solutions provides an interface, a box to plug into the back of your robot, and an app to install on your system. The buttons function as the play pause button and the plate turn button. The plus is the third symbol on the tablet, enabling you to plate scrape. You can control the Nita Eater using EMG system. Here we're using MGO. So it's linked up to my eyebrow to move the plates, and then just this finger to take a scoop.